Today, we're going to build a Jedi Starfighter using 6 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x1 plate with ring, and what I'm going to do is on that plate part, I'm going to get a translucent black cheese wedge slope, and put it so that the tall end of the cheese wedge slope is facing the ring and it slopes down to the back to kind of give that more cylindrical look of the cockpit of these Eta-2 Jedi Starfighters. And now we have to start building out the wings and the bow, and to do that I'm going to get my rings, and on the ring I'm going to put 2 1x1 round plates in a dark bluish gray. You can see all these different colors I'm using because I want to give it that battle-worn look of these Jedi Starfighters that are continually fighting the Separatist droid army. But once I have those plates on, I'm going to grab 2 of these 2x1 curved slope pieces, and the little indented part, or the part that's a little raised up, is going to go onto those round plates facing forward. And so here's the front of my Jedi Starfighter, and there's the back, and I do that to both sides. And here we have a completed Eta-2 Jedi Starfighter for any of those Jedi Knights to help hunt down the Separatist droids.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.